Hi everyone, Donna here again from McCauley's. Just following on from our fantastic open day last week. We've got loads of inquiries and loads of questions about one of our feature tillers on the day, our Stepframe Low Loader. 3-axle rear steer with a front lifting axle. Bespoke to the tiller and for the customer. We have the hydraulic lifting deck, which is a full 2.4 metres of the bed that will ascend upwards and descend and lock into place to allow for low ground clearance machines, rollers, lifting equipment, access equipment to get up onto the top neck with ease. Very bespoke to the customer and very bespoke to us, that we can provide this to any client that wants it. The trailer itself has a custom floor layout with bespoke tie-in points placed in various positions to suit the customer's many different types of machines. So there's 26 extra tie-in points added to the floor of various different specifications of D-rings. With that, obviously our own custom swivel D-ring that we provide, along with the T-ring fitted below that, the chassis for the wider machines as well. We also have added our galvanised flip toe ramps, real great addition to the trailer. On the show exhibition day, we actually had this done with mesh for the access market, but due to this customer also carrying a lot of excavators, etc. as well, we were always taking them back to the wooden ramps for the point of collection. The sliders are done galvanised as well for the ramps, so it's a new thing for us to do the sliders, but it's a really neat feature. Cuts out rust, cuts out damage, and even then when the machines are going up and down, doesn't mark the floor, doesn't damage the paint. Moving on to the trailer itself, fitted with hydraulic landing legs at the rear. Again, in the type of market that the customer is in, they could be loading the trailer 20-30 times a day, so it's all about ease of use, speed, and how soon he can get the ramps down, chains off, machine off, new machine on, or loaded again and back on the road to get to another site. So he's really went around this trailer and put a lot of thought into it for how fast when he gets out of the truck, he can get back into the truck and get on the road. It has a custom light pack, so high visibility light pack. There's 6 different sets of work lights around the trailer. Where again, the customer, a lot of that base of the higher clientele, they're generally collecting trailers at night or leaving them off early in the morning. So he wants it safe, plenty of light around the trailer, ease of use again for himself. Moving on then to the axles, 10-ton SAF axles with a rear steer. We have our own system of the power steer rear steer axle, which will remote control. The driver can control remotely from the cab. Moving on to storage in the trailer, he's got 2 1-meter toolboxes on either side. Both toolboxes are lockable, with a neat feature with an airline connection for servicing any flat wheels or any problems with blowing down machines and stuff, where he wants to keep the bed of the trailer clean and things as well like that. So finally, to finish the trailer off, we have an 8.1-ton winch at the front that helps any broken down machines, any slippy machines that are struggling to get up the bed, just give that wee extra pull, get up onto the top platform. Again, with the cut corners, a lot of tight roads around this part of the world and things like that there, gives the customer a wee bit more usability in the trailer and a wee bit more peace of mind when he's going in around the tight positions or tight housing states, etc. as well. Of course, the tractor headboard, you can run the machines and the wheels right up over the front of this. Great feature, which is standard in a lot of our trailers. And finally, of course, the trailer is laid out with the all the rest positions for anybody working on site. We'll have to put the poles in for working at heights. So, thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video.
And fun more often here at Islandview Plant Hire, local hire firm here in Toonbridge. Work with McCauley's and this low loader. tailor made, especially about a lot of extra options on our hydraulic neck, our rear steered axle. I mean, make the job easy. Working along with them, nothing was a bother. All added extras, final touches. Superb looking tool.